Khalko.
Hi Khalko. Assalamu alaikum. I just woke up. Again, Pashto and English mixed vlog. We just wake up. It's Sunday. On Sunday, even we wake up 1 o'clock. Mungo still kutli nashta. You say in English and I'm gonna be in Pashto. Okay, so we just woke up and every morning Mama makes a really nice breakfast. I'm trying to look kind of cute. And I just showed to her because she wanted me to. I'm gonna make which is a vlog jodum the nashtista or atla nalandi. The thing is, my bestie Zaya came, so she woke me up. She was in my bed, and basically I couldn't come down for ages. Okay, so anyways, basically Mama is making breakfast, and Mama's favorite breakfast to make is her famous beans. Beans? You know the desi beans? Desi beans. I'm gonna make stuff. Potatoes. Potato cutlass kind of thing. That's really nice. French toast. I know everyone makes French toast. Everyone make baked beans. But this is Mama's take on this. Yes. Start from French toast. Yes. This is 4 egg and 2 tablespoons sugar. Biscuit. Pose it a minsa. And now I just, I never measure my milk, but just like say about 1/4 of cup milk. This is what the pros do. They don't need to measure nothing. Yeah. This looks good already. And I already cut medium slice bread. Don't use really thin or thick, just medium. Medium slice bread. Look how that wrist moves. Wow. Only this one. This one is not moving. You know what? Look, the black seed. The hair. If you guys want to be hairy as shit, maybe my hand. I never do waxing or anything. Yeah, let me tell you guys though, in my serum there's black seed oil. Yeah. Look, black seed. What black seed did to my hand. But it doesn't make your face hairy, don't worry. Okay. Okay, so I just put a little. She put this much oil. Okay. Let me take. Hi, Yusuf. Oh wow, I have such a chest infection. You okay? Make sure. So she just swiveled it around. Not too much ingredients. Mama, you put the oil is on. Yeah, the oil on. It's on low heat. Very low heat. Oh, I deep fry my toast. No, I never deep. That's why I say everybody got their own way of thing. Okay, yeah. So just very low. I don't want to burn my toast. I don't want to be like too much brown or thing. So very low heat, little oil, and not too much egg on thing. So can you see? Look, it's already a little bit brown. Okay. Yes. Basically, these two are gonna get eaten by me right now. Maliha want me to have a 2 tin of beans. Yes. So I put the rest of half of the onion in my pan as well. Let that cook, but make sure it won't go too brown. Maliha? Yes. That's a bit dohaya. Oh, look at that toast. Oh. Oh my goodness, I love French toast. People like. Can I tell you what I like as well? Yeah. I usually in my scrambled eggs, I like to put sugar in it. Yeah, okay. So sugar in eggs and sugar but I don't like sugar in my scrambled. That's why I'm this big. Mama's like, don't go lower. You don't want me to go lower this direction. Oh, okay. I'm in my pajamas, so I say don't go lower. She's like, don't show my lady bits. Hey, not too much information, okay? Okay. Okay, you can see it's very low heat. Look. Very low. That's heat. Very low. I usually put it on high heat. No, because then it's like a smelly egg. Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Very good tip. Yes. It's still not done. Still make sure what were you gonna say? Still make sure the fire is not too high. Be patient. Mama, do you know today is Sunday. This is basically 1, 2, 3 days for Christmas, right? Can you know Sundays, right? what Muslims do. Instead of cooking Christmas dinner on Christmas, they make it Sunday. So no, in most Muslims' households, like my friends and people online.
Not necessarily. We cook like food Sunday because all my children home.
No, I ain't saying about this.
Yeah.
Usually, what people do, they cook it on the Sunday.
Bread,
yeah.
Okay, so have a look. Both sides is done. Make sure no oil. And put it like that.
Mama, do you know what? Screw this.
Yeah, she gonna start.
Wait up. Let's give it a try, eh?
That's what she do since her childhood.
So it's really, really good.
Malam chakra ka kaste.
Feel that? Go. Shreya, give me some. She just said, give me some as well, you dog.
Spare in Pashto, I call them like...
Greedy.
Greedy, yeah.
So let me wait a second, okay? So on my Mali and Mama channel, our channel, Mama gets like 10, 20, whatever K
50
views.
likes.
And then views. And then I go to my channel, I'm like, 1,000 people viewed it. I'm like, okay then, Mama's doing better than me.
The thing is, I'm everybody's mama, and everyone love me, and I'm everyone's mama. And your sister, with sister, people get jealous, whatever. But with
no,
mama,
I don't think people are jealous.
No, jealous mean like forget it, okay?
Yeah, what the hell?
With mama,
she's rambling again.
Especially Muslim people, they love their mama, and I'm blessed because I'm your mama. Same time I'm cooking both with my only one tunde hand. You know who is Maliha? Now even my YouTube vlogger, my YouTube follower, Instagram, everybody.
Your YouTube friends.
My YouTube friends.
Do you know what you should say? My YouTube children, because you're mama.
So my YouTube children, my Instagram children, my Facebook children, they all ask me, how's your tunde?
Oh.
They all ask me, how's your tunde? No, it's enough sweet, Maliha.
Yeah, do you know what I think? I think nobody would mind if I have another one.
It's gonna be finished by the time I serve my nashta. And Sumaya said, don't cook.
I don't think Sumaya likes French toast. I love it.
She always have it when I cook. First she said, you know why she said don't cook? Because she don't want me to work.
Yeah.
So on this stage, okay?
Yeah.
Not too much cooking, okay? On this stage, put on your chili here. So the chili need to be brown as well a little bit. And the reason I'm putting that much chili because Sami, Siddiq, Nafia, Sumaya, they love it. It's only Maliha don't like too much chili. But they love chili, so I put loads of chili.
I'm like Papa.
Yeah.
What's doing?
Allah, early morning ice cream.
It's breakfast time. It isn't ice cream time. Why are you eating ice cream, Yus?
That's so bad.
And you're ill, Caleb.
For you guys.
You're completely ill.
Okay, it's again, no measurement, just a bit salt, okay? Only a bit.
Mama, we need a little bit measurement. Would you say 1 teaspoon?
No, even 1 spoon.
A sprinkle, a pinch.
This spoon, just a quarter of this spoon.
Okay.
Because beans don't need. And that much chili flakes. I put that much bit more because she opened 2 cans now. And Maliha don't eat more French toast, okay?
Fine.
Bas.
Fine.
Oh
my baby. My love, my life.
You know why? Usually I cook like 8, 9 recipes and still I'm not tired. No.
Mama, do you know I really missed you?
I miss you too, baby.
I haven't seen Mama in
all my businesses and look after my business, so I hardly see Maliha like in weekdays.
And Caleb's school as well then.
I think as well because I miss Caleb. Okay,
she wanted to beat the shit out of me. Oh, yummy.
And now, with one hand.
I could do it, Mama.
Okay, Rasha, go.
Let me do it.
Just put No, it's okay, I'll do it, don't worry.
I'll put the other one in. Don't wait, there's still some beans in it. Let me get it out. There's a trick. You shouldn't go. Well, Rizwan told me, my husband told me, you do it slowly, and then it comes out, and it really does work, guys. It really works. Oh, I say that, and then there's nothing. One bean is done. Okay.
And make sure top close cut, so if somebody touch the bar, then
I know, I cut my fingers every time.
Yeah,
like, you know what you should do? Whenever you do the beans, right, or any type of tin, you're supposed to push it in.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I cut my fingers every time.
Even the recycling people, like the council people, even they can cut sometimes.
Yeah.
So be careful always. I always make sure push it in and then dispose in my recycling bin. beans लगी आदि खुली तैयारी की
The beans are cooking so good.
Trust me, this beans is so amazing. Like that day, the human relief organization people come, and I give them that in nashta, and she finished all, and no, them finish all, and they say, "Oh, Baji, your beans was lush." I say, "Okay."
Okay, so this is my job. Okay, so I've crushed the potatoes for the stuffed potatoes, and this
my French toast is ready.
Yummy.
Our beans is ready, and with beans we use this bread.
Toast.
And now,
okay.
So,
Mama, do you want me to do it? Because your thing is.
I just show one. My hand is one. While I show you what this stuff is, I'm gonna talk about it. Okay.
Mama, I think I should do it.
It's okay. I can't do it with one hand. Maliha will do the rest. So basically, that kind of.
And what is this stuffing, by the way? It's just meat and aubergines, I can see.
Yeah, but I will tell you what exactly that is. Okay? It's very easy. Can see.
This looks so yum.
A little bit thick. Make sure the stuff is not too much out. If it's little out, that's look beautiful when it's cooked. Okay? And then the oil is
low again, is it?
Low again, very little oil. I'll just dip it in only egg, whisk egg, like that, and put it down.
I want a milkshake.
Okay, but chidar kum jan. So press it like that, then
you get
about that much.
Mama, let me just do it. Wait, okay? I've seen it now. Let me do it.
Okay. This hand is killing me. It's so painful.
So I should be doing it then?
Yeah, but you didn't make it before, so I was about to tell you how to make it.
Wow, I'm gonna make this at home. It looks delicious.
And I'll tell you what you can use for the stuffing, okay?
Oh. Okay, so.
Sammy, milkshake or
milkshake.
We're gonna have breakfast. You can't have milkshake now. Milkshake. No, we got breakfast, bro.
This much?
Breakfast, bro.
Oh. It's too much.
Someone, I think she turned around and said, "No." What are you making? Tomato.
Son is very busy.
Definitely.
You don't need this phone to work.
No. I don't like this.
Hi, Sammy.
No.
So let me tell you what this is, okay? What this stuffing is. Last night I cooked aubergine.
Aubergine, yeah.
Aubergine. And I cooked chicken keema.
That was mine.
And we ate that. Just a little bit left. So I keep it in the fridge, and that's my stuffing.
Oh.
So whatever left night time in your house, like keema kind of thing, or aubergine or sabzi, just stuff it like that. So this.
Good, isn't it? Mine would just break completely. I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna try it now.
Sammy! It's no aloo tikki.
Trust me, guys, it's so good. Okay.
You did the lips, didn't you?
This is the food done. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Well done, Mom. Well done, Mom.
So I cook stuffed aloo. I cook French toast and I cook beans. Thank you for watching and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Isn't it, Maliha?
Yes, and I'll see you guys next time.
Little bell.
Bye, guys.